Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Neo-Angle Shower Kit is probably one of the most space-saving and stylish shower solutions available for modern bathrooms, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics that will transform your bathroom into a luxurious and efficient space. Today, we will deep dive into what makes this kit stand out from the crowd and whether it's the right choice for your bathroom renovation project, considering factors like installation, water pressure, and overall quality. Number 5. DreamLine Prism Shower Enclosure. Upgrade your bathroom with the DreamLine Prism. It's a stunning, frameless shower enclosure that will transform your space. This neo-angle design fits perfectly into corners, maximizing space. It's perfect for smaller bathrooms. It features premium 3/8-inch thick tempered glass for both safety and durability. You'll appreciate its strength and clarity. It offers up to 3/8-inch adjustment per side, ensuring a perfect fit even with uneven walls. Installation is simple and straightforward. It's designed for easy installation, but professional installation is recommended for the best results. Enjoy a seamless installation process. The door is reversible, so it can be installed to open from either the left or the right. It's versatile and adaptable to your bathroom layout. The brushed nickel finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. It complements any bathroom style. A matching shower base is sold separately. Remember that the base is 2 inches larger than the shower unit. Ensure you get the right size. It measures 34.18 inches deep and wide, and 72 inches high. The walk-in opening is 22.316 inches. It's the perfect size for most bathrooms. What we like? It boasts a sleek, frameless design and is made from thick, high-quality glass. Its adjustable design makes installation a breeze, even in less than perfect spaces. If you value a modern look and need flexibility during installation, this is the perfect choice for your bathroom renovation. What people say. The door assembly was carefully and properly packed. All items in their proper bags and numbered to coincide with the instructions. Well designed, strong. Cannot make angles mistakes, metal brackets hold glass in proper position. After a whole year I have yet to see a drop of water pass through any part of this enclosure. This is my third enclosure and it is quite honestly the best unit on the market. Number 4. DreamLine Prism Shower Enclosure. Upgrade your bathroom with the DreamLine Prism. It's a frameless neo-angle pivot shower enclosure that will transform your space. Its space-saving neo-angle design is perfect for smaller bathrooms. It offers a modern and stylish look. It features premium 3/8-inch thick tempered glass for both safety and durability. You'll appreciate its strength and clarity. Installation is simple, with an adjustment feature to accommodate uneven walls. Professional installation is always recommended for best results. It's designed to fit perfectly with a compatible DreamLine shower base, sold separately. Remember, the base is 2 inches larger than the enclosure. The brushed nickel finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It's both stylish and easy to maintain. Enjoy peace of mind with our limited lifetime manufacturer warranty. It's a testament to its quality and longevity. What we like? This model offers a more spacious showering experience thanks to its larger dimensions. It's also constructed from durable, thick glass. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit, regardless of your wall's imperfections. If you prioritize space and a flawless fit, this shower enclosure is ideal for you. What people say. The glass came delivered to my door and in good shape. The adjustability built into the wall jambs and the door hinges made it easy. Doors open and close nicely too. Very happy and excellent quality. Number 3. DreamLine Prism Plus Shower Enclosure. Upgrade your bathroom with the DreamLine Prism Plus. It's a stunning frameless shower enclosure that combines style and functionality. Its space-saving neo-angle design is perfect for smaller bathrooms. It maximizes your shower space without compromising on style. It features premium 3/8-inch tempered glass for safety and durability. You'll enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. Installation is a breeze with its adjustable design. It easily accommodates out-of-plumb walls for a perfect fit. The patented L-bar support brackets create a clean, unobstructed look. It's the perfect addition to any modern bathroom. It includes a low-profile base for easy access and a reversible door for customized installation. It's designed for your convenience. It's made with high-quality materials, including a durable brushed nickel finish and a sturdy biscuit base. It's an investment in quality and style. This complete kit includes both the shower enclosure and the base, making installation simple and straightforward. Everything you need is included. What we like? This all-in-one kit includes both the shower enclosure and a sturdy base, simplifying the installation process. The base is designed for easy access and is incredibly durable. If you prefer a hassle-free installation and a complete solution, this kit is your best bet. What people say. This is a beautiful shower and we're very pleased with it. We had tile installed on the walls behind it, and had professional glass installers do the glass pieces. This is real glass. Very heavy, solid. We've had no problem with leaking, and have used it several times since installation. Remodeled our tiny, 6 feet by 6 feet, back bathroom using this neo-angle glass shower enclosure, and the room suddenly feels spacious and light. Easy to install, but super heavy. Glad we had 2 strong guys. The glass is very good quality and the shower overall looks beautiful. Number 2. DreamLine Prism Luxe Shower Enclosure. This shower enclosure brings luxury and style to your bathroom. Its frameless design creates a clean, modern look. It's a space-saving neo-angle design, perfect for smaller bathrooms. The premium glass adds a touch of elegance. It features 3 8-inch thick, certified tempered glass for safety and durability. You'll appreciate its strength and clarity. The frameless design makes it easy to clean. Enjoy a sparkling clean shower every day. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. Drilling into the threshold is required. Remember, the matching shower base is 2 inches wider than the shower unit itself. Please plan accordingly. It's important to note that it offers no adjustments for width or uneven walls. Ensure your space is properly prepared. A compatible DreamLine shower base is sold separately. Check for model number DLT 2038380 for a perfect match. What we like? This model features a sophisticated matte black finish that adds a touch of modern elegance to your bathroom. It's made from premium, thick glass for lasting durability. Its sleek design will complement any contemporary bathroom style. If you're looking for a stylish and high-quality shower enclosure, this is the one for you. What people say. Looks great after install. Instructions were adequate. This is the second DreamLine product I'm giving a 5-star review. It was not that difficult to install and drastically changed the looks of our bathroom. Comparing to the custom solutions, the price was 80 to 100% lower. Love this. Was so easy to install, arrived in perfect condition. So much more room than there appears to be. Number 1. DreamLine Prism Shower Enclosure. Upgrade your bathroom with this stunning frameless shower enclosure. It's designed for both style and functionality, creating a luxurious showering experience. Its space-saving neo-angle design fits perfectly into corners, maximizing your bathroom space. The pivot door allows for easy access. It features premium 3 8-inch tempered glass, ensuring both safety and durability. The brushed nickel finish adds a touch of elegance. Installation is a breeze, and it's adjustable to fit your specific needs. Minor out-of-plumb adjustments are easily handled. The included white base is low profile for easy access and features a slip-resistant surface for safety. It's also scratch and stain resistant for lasting beauty. It's built with reinforced fiberglass for strength and durability. The integrated tile flange prevents water leaks, ensuring a worry-free shower. What we like? This kit includes both the shower enclosure and a durable, slip-resistant base, ensuring both style and safety. The base is designed for easy entry and exit. If safety and a complete, easy-to-install solution are your priorities, this kit is perfect for your needs. What people say. Well-made, high-quality product. Easy to follow instructions. We just had this installed last week and are really impressed with the quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.